Hey, it's Marpy Summers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily find an area in your code that you want to edit and then edit it without having to use a prompt. Now, this is a website I've been working on. Some of you may have even used it to help you build amazing prompts. And the Discord link keeps expiring. And I've now worked out how to make a Discord link that doesn't expire. And I want to change the Discord link. I attempted to look for it in the code a couple of days ago, couldn't find it. But now there is a search in the code, which is going to save us so much time and is amazing. Let me show you how it works. So you're going to click on code at the top, and then we have all these files there's just endless ones. And mainly most of the site is in this source component section. But to look for the Discord link in this whole load of files is just takes time, and you always miss it. But now look, there's this little search box at the top. You can press on this, you can type in Discord, and it will show you discord.sg, no, Discord there we go. And this is going to find all of the files that have that mentioned in it. So there's Discord section.tsx and the sidebar.tsx. So we can click on this. Not only does it go to that file, it jumps all the way down to where I'm so excited. This is probably the most excited video I've done in a while. So yes, you can then just edit the link, edit the heading, edit whatever it was you wanted to edit. And then we're going to go over to here, and it's already edited here, so that's good. And then to here, and it's already edited there. But it's not going to save these until I actually make a change, which is another really good thing. It will show you if you've actually made a change, because the save all changes button only appears if you've actually made a change. So if you're worried that you've accidentally changed something and that button doesn't appear, well, you didn't change anything, because that button telling you that the file is the same as it was before. And so now we can click save all changes. It's going to go off and recompile that code, rebuild the site, and then all you need to do once it's finished doing that is go to publish and publish it so that those changes go live. This is such a great feature for those little changes that you don't want to ask and use up a prompt for. You can just now log in, easily search for that area, whether it be a heading that you wanted just the wording changed, and you can now search for it, change it, save it, rebuild the site. It's so good. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, and maybe even comment on the video and tell me what your favorite feature is or how you're going to use this new search function. I look forward to future videos. Thank you. Have an amazing day.